Hello, Redditors! Today we're going into a quick and handy guide on how to add your social media links to your Reddit profile. Whether you want to share your other online spaces or connect with like-minded individuals, this 1-minute guide will walk you through the process. Let's jump right in. Start by opening the Reddit app or website and signing in to your account. Make sure you're using the latest version for the most up-to-date features. Find your profile icon in the top right corner and click it to access your Reddit profile page. Look for the My Profile option, which is usually located in the middle of the open page. Click it to edit your profile details. On the new page, look for the Add Social Link option and click on it. After the page opens, you can add your social media links. Enter the URLs of the desired platforms, such as Twitter, Instagram, or others. And there it is. You have successfully added your social media links to your Reddit profile. Now, fellow Redditors can easily connect with you across platforms. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy networking on Reddit.